This feels so weird. Oh God. Okay.
You are handsome.
I'm handsome. 漂亮.
More money.
More money?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, me, you, we need more money. Today, I'm exploring one of Beijing's most historic streets, Dashilan. It's old school, chaotic, but full of a lot of charm. Let's see if it still holds up in modern Beijing.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Yes, yes. All right, bye-bye. Oh man, we're already off to a fun start, huh? No trip to China is complete if you don't eat any Peking duck. Looks like we got a spot right here. Let's give it a try together. Ni hao. I want to try the duck.
30.
This one.
30.
30. Okay, okay. Language barriers always, but it is what it is. First, he takes the bread and he warms it up on this pan right here. Honestly, I don't even know what the veggies are that he's putting on. And we got some sauce going on right here. And then the infamous duck goes on last. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Oh, and he warms it up even more on the pan right here. I'm gonna ask him if this is the best duck in all of Beijing. Oh, excuse me. Okay, all right, 谢谢. Thank you so much. In my hands right here, according to the chef, we have the best duck in all of Beijing. Let's give it a try together. He wasn't lying. He wasn't lying. This is so, so good, y'all. I never had duck this good in America. It's so tender. The sauce goes so well. And then the dough, obviously, perfect. Don't laugh at me, but I recently learned that the old English name for Beijing was Peking, and I always thought this was like Peking duck, like the duck is pecking, but no, it just comes from the name Beijing in Old English. The more you know, right? Regardless, thank you, Beijing. That alone might be worth a plane ticket to China, but just check out the street, guys. Like, you probably see it behind me, but this place is packed, and it's only like a Thursday night. So behind me, there's like this like indoor market, and the sign says 1903. So if this is accurate, this was open like over 120 years ago. Might as well check it out together. Oh, uncle, I like your headwear. Oh, Sun Wukong. Yes, yes. Oh, wow. That's nice, guys.
Hat.
In Mandarin, what do you call?
这个叫什么来着？这个帽子
叫皇冠，直接领。
皇冠.
皇冠啊，又 speak Chinese.
皇冠. Yeah, a little bit, little bit.
我说一个棒。
Okay, okay.
皇帝帽，
皇帝.
皇帝戴的帽子。
Okay, okay.
Emperor.
Oh, emperor.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wukong.
Yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. If you know, you know, you know.
外国叫上帝。
Do you have a small one? This one's small?
Small one here.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, guys, you know what? If you know the story of Sun Wukong, you have to buy one of these poles. Okay, how much for this one?
75.
Can you give me American discount?
Yeah. Okay.
Can you do 65?
No. Maybe 70 is good for us.
70?
Yes.
Okay, 70 is okay. What's your name?
My name Zhu Miyo.
Zhu Miyo.
Your name? Much.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
My first time in China, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name, brother?
你什么？你名字？
我的名字姓鲍，
鲍。
Bo?
Oh yes.
Bo.
海里那个鲍鱼。
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Okay. If you don't know, this comes from the story of Sun Wukong. Basically, the inspiration for what modern day Goku is. But I couldn't resist, guys. Like, something like this is just like something you have to buy here. Because I've never seen anything like this in America or even on like Amazon in America. But just check out this shop, guys. Like, this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. Wow. If you guys like Chinese zodiacs, you can get like a little cutout paper here. Hello, it's beautiful. do you have rooster?
Handmade by myself.
Oh, you made it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, handmade.
Community City down, peace and good luck.
Oh.
Beijing.
Oh, you know what, guys? Oh, sorry. You know, I was actually looking for something like this. Dang. You know, I already have my art piece, but I think I'm gonna get this
Paper
too.
cut. Paper cut.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cut.
Yeah.
Happiness.
You know what? I was looking at the Chinese zodiacs, but this actually looks more up my alley. Okay, how much for this one?
35. 35.
35?
300 yuan.
35.
300 yuan. 100. 35.
Oh, okay, okay.
300. 100.
Oh, three of them for 100. Okay.
If you buy 5, I will give you 1.
For free. It's okay. I just need one because I only have book bags. Sorry. I guess that's the bargaining here. Like the more you buy, the more discount you get. What's your name?
Liu.
Liu
Zhen.
Jun.
Yeah.
Liu Jun.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you. But no, guys, this is really beautiful, and she made all this. Like, if you guys are really into like Chinese like art and architecture, like this is just
This need
beautiful.
more money. Need more money.
More money?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, me, you, we need more money. We got this like traditional looking Beijing sign for $4.87. Not too bad, you know. I wasn't gonna buy more things than the staff right here, but to be honest, like this one really drew me in because on a lot of the temples, you're gonna see like this wood piece here. But yeah, let's continue and see what else we can find. But just check this out, guys. Like this place is really old school. Over 120 years old. We got uncle here selling God knows what. I don't know what's going on here. Oh.
Hello, make your face.
Make my face?
Yeah.
Make me handsome?
Yes.
And they can basically carve your face onto one of these figures right here. That's cool. It's okay. I'm not too handsome enough, so thank you. If you guys are in the market for like old like style like pottery and stuff like that, I think this is a really good place for you guys. I haven't really been seeing like this set up anywhere else in Beijing. Beijing is like definitely like a mix of modern and old school, but the old school seems to be like a little bit more hidden. You can clean my ear?
Yes. Hell yeah.
Oh God, sorry.
Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Clean.
Okay. Guys, if I lose my hearing, it was nice hearing you guys. Okay. Oh wow, there's a camera right here too. Oh God. Alright, be gentle, please. Oh, okay, 对. How much? Oh, 120 for clean ear?
Come on here.
Oh, okay. Okay, yes, boss. Okay.
它是120度。
Oh. Okay, guys. I don't know how to feel about this. This feels so weird. Oh, God. If only you guys saw the screen. Hello.
Hello.
I'm a dirty boy, huh?
Okay. Dirty boy.
Oh, he's dirty boy too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Kurha? Little.
A little.
Sensitive. Yeah. Oh, God. I regret doing this, guys. Don't do this. 为什么？
为什么？你会中文？
Oh. Okay. No, thank you. Oh. Can you tell me why Chinese people like to do ear cleaning? Ah, she says enjoy. Okay.
Hello， 大家好，我是中国的朋友。中国掏耳朵是中国传统文化，欢迎大家来体验。在中国来中国体验，它将会是你来中国一件非常奇妙的旅行。
Okay. All right. I don't know what she said, but her friends are laughing at her right now. Okay, 谢谢. Okay, 谢谢. Okay, bye. Oh, yes. What? Oh. Oh, you make this?
照片翻译，照片。
Oh my god. This guy, he has a bird.
翻译翻译，让他问问有没有喜欢的。
So you have 2 jobs? You make this one and you do this one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what I got myself into. I didn't know what to expect with the ear cleaning, but that took like way too long, super uncomfortable, and they upcharge you with like the medicine stuff. Basically, I can't get water in my ear for the next 2 days, and I have to use these medicines like every 3 days. Great. Whatever, I guess I got some ancient Chinese medicine in me now, so who knows, maybe I'll become a shaman or something. But check these out, y'all. Like, since we're in here, might as well get something else to eat. Literally, right now, I'm just stress eating. I've been seeing this like everywhere. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but let's give it a try together. It's almost like a mochi. It's really sweet from like the syrup you put on. But I can't put my finger on it. Like, is it like a rice cake, but different? No idea. This is cool. You know, old classic movies. I'm all about it. Guys, don't laugh at me. Is that Jet Li right there? If it is, respect. But look at this shop, y'all. They got even the family com. Wow. And they got it in English or Chinese. That's something I never thought I'd see. A Chinese family com right here. And true to their nature, they got the 132 in 1. Cigarette.
Tea.
Oh, this is tea.
Tea. Yes.
Really?
So this is English.
Okay, hey guys, if this is tea, I'm gonna buy one because that's pretty cool
里
packaging.
面是茶叶做的，它可以抽也可以
She
泡，
said cha, I know
特别
cha.
有意思。
Yeah?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, which one do you like? Says here, the top 10 famous ones of the dirty are
茶
selling
烟
very
啊，里面都
well.
是茶叶做的，可以抽可以泡。
Oh, guys, okay.
茶叶。
Again, I'm a little confused what this is, but we're gonna try one. You know what? I didn't see any pandas, so I'm gonna buy the panda one. Okay, do it. 79 yen, so about like 11 bucks. I'm glad I walked in here. I found something new. 谢谢. I'm not 100% sure what I just bought here. She said it's like tea, but you can like smoke it or something. I'm just curious to see like what's inside. Oh. Okay, I guess they are cigarettes, but like herbal tea or something. Oh my gosh, like whatever she used to use on Google Translate, I did not understand well, but I'm definitely not gonna smoke these. I'm just gonna have it as a souvenir, but definitely a interesting souvenir to have. It's my friend again. Okay. Oh man, what are the odds? He was in the beginning of the video and now he ran into me again. Wow, look at this story. Oh, I think this guy is going to buy a t-shirt. Let's follow him. I feel like that's a scene out of Rush Hour 2 right there. You have something shoulder?
小的有啊，可以一点
Yeah,
点啊。
yeah. Like, how you say? Shoulder?
这个也是。
Okay, for you, I'll eat one, yeah.
One?
Yeah, yeah, one.
这个。
This one.
This one.
Okay. She drawed me in, guys. I tend not to do this, but I'm gonna be annoying. I'm gonna go see. Can I look?
Look.
Oh.
Noodle.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wow. Okay.
You are handsome.
I'm handsome. 漂亮.
Do you speak Chinese?
No, I don't speak Chinese. But you know English? A little bit.
Just a little.
Okay.
Welcome to Beijing.
Yes, I'm happy to be Beijing. But yeah, I'm happy to see this because I'm, hungry. I love Chinese food. But yeah, y'all, like this is it. This is how they get their food done here in this little hole in the wall. But oh,
Excuse me.
okay, alright, y'all. I just walked in here. She offered me some noodles. In broken English and broken Chinese, somehow got some noodles. Let's enjoy, right? Just look at how beautiful this is, guys. Like, this is how you know you're in China. This is shockingly really good. It's just like a thin noodle, and the peanut sauce, like, it just goes so good. No wonder why they have like those machines that go like this, because if you can do this, you just know the noodle's gonna be good. Whatever this item is here, if you guys can translate that for me, that'd be awesome, but I will definitely try that again as like a snack somewhere.
你会讲中文吗
Okay, 15 yen,
Where are you
$2.
from?
America,
America.
yes. Where are you from?
Where are you from? 西安
Shia. Oh, where's Shia? I don't know Shia.
西安 is beautiful.
漂亮。
非常美丽。
OK，OK
它的西安历史特别有名，13朝的古都，800里秦川飞扬。
对？Oh, okay. All you gotta do is say yes sometimes.
有时间 have a time to 西安。You have time to 西安。
I'm only staying Beijing. Only Beijing.
你在北京工作，work
对
工作。
对。That's a nice thing when you travel. Like when you meet people that actually like try, even though they don't know the language, it just makes the experience even more better. You're gonna see behind me too that there's a lot of streamers. They just post up here. And where are you streaming? 直播. Oh, okay, yeah. Like, see, they're just a bunch of like folks. They have their setup right here, and they're just streaming. One of the nice things about this place is just these buildings are just so like historic looking. But I want to check out this food place right here because I saw the infamous Bing Chilling. Oh man, I don't even know which one to get. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it simple. Yes, we got our Bing Chilling right here. And it was about 10 yuan, so about $1.39. Let's give it a try. I don't know what kind of ice cream this is, but it doesn't have like that same consistency like as you would get soft serve in America. But it's not bad. It's just like different, not as sweet, I guess, and the texture is a little bit more fluffy than it would be like in America, but still pretty good. Alright y'all, this is where I'm going to end the video today. I think the highlight is going to be buying the art piece from the old market along with the Sun Wukong staff, because you know, that's a classic right there. But if there's one thing I wish I didn't do, it was the ear thing. I hope I don't get an ear infection, because I've never done anything like that. Other than that guys, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.